Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, see this, probably you have this in your home with the new order, the new devil word order of creating an planned obsolescence product that literally flood everywhere. So they have a fake bearing, bearing in here that feels when this thing spins just about 1 or 2 times, you can hear the rattling noise. So you gotta find a genuine one that you're gonna use to replace it. But that is not actually what today's video is all about. But this, and I'm certain before you import this or get it from the store, it's probably gonna be costing somewhere around $20 with shipping costs or even more. And if we look at what they have done here, it is according to the rule of the planned obsolescence. Initially, I never saw it coming, and my partner got it ruined. If you look at it carefully there, you see it's just a light metal they added just on top of the first layer here, so that when you use it twice, if the pressure that is within what you're trying to grind is very heavy on this very part here, it will damage it. Now here is the critical question: why didn't they extend this very small metal down there to have that gear teeth all the way down? Because there is still more space down there. Because when they do that, you literally don't have to replace any part. And let me tell you how it works. When this very teeth here goes away, it helps in destroying this very bearing that you see here. And you have to have a very good press, hydraulic press, to actually get it solved. To get it this one replaced. So I'm certain a lot of you guys have thrown this away, but today I'm going to be giving a part 1 of how to restore this back. And what am I going to do to get this back? Well, I don't have the industrial fleet of machine that can change this, but with my mechanical ability, let me show you. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these. These metric tools are easy. They are the most unused one out there. So kindly go get yourself one. But before getting yourself one, do this test and make sure that it lasts. This one is having some lashes, but I don't have any choice for now. So, but you can turn it. So long as you can grip it and turn it, you are good to go. And the next thing I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to chop this head off and I'm going to stick it right here. That's going to be a little bit of a work, but I'm done for it, because once I get this in here, this guy here is going to last forever. That is the game. That is the name of the game. It's not just about the money. It's creating a durable product, because when you buy this part, it's still going to get ruined again in just a few times. But when you re-engineer it like I'm doing right now, that's going to be game over. So let me go ahead and start up my generator and chop this thing down and show you what it's going to look like. And before chopping it down, there are some little things I'm going to do to it so that it can be able to do exactly what I want it to do. So you ready? I may not cover this with my camera, but I'm going to show you guys when I'm done. Look at it. Okay guys, it's too hot, but this is how it's supposed to look like. You know, it's more easier to cut it from the outside and to cut it from the inside. Although I can still be able to recreate cutting inside, but that's a lot of work to do than to cut from outside. So from here right now, there are two ways. And once, okay, once I gotta, okay, it's getting cold already. So once I got here cut and insert it inside, I'm gonna find epoxy and stick it in there, and that's gonna be, it's gonna last forever. We're not gonna change this again. However, there is still another way to make this more powerful that you're never gonna replace it again. So guys, in that aspect, I won't be covering it because I'm gonna be doing some other things, but just gonna be chopping this off using a rotary machine, and make sure that this one sits in right in the middle. Right, don't cut above the iron area so that you can be able to maintain the center part so that it doesn't wobble when you are done. And the reason I gave it others here is for it to have a grip on over here after adding the epoxy. So guys, I'll catch you later.